The all-electric ZDX features the latest intuitive technologies. To activate Automatic Parking Assist, or APA, press Auto Park Assist on the color touchscreen and make a selection. Drive forward at no greater than 18 miles per hour. Or, to search for a parking space to the left, turn on the left turn signal. APA searches for parallel or perpendicular parking spaces to the left or right of the vehicle up to 5 feet. APA cannot provide parking assistance for all empty parking spots. The parking spot must be large enough and have adjacent vehicles, a wall, or a pillar, or similar to allow the system to work properly. After completely passing an eligible parking spot, a beep will sound and a notification to stop the vehicle will be displayed in the digital instrument cluster. Slow down and bring the vehicle to a complete stop. When the vehicle is ready to begin the maneuver, the steering wheel will vibrate briefly as a reminder to remove your hands from the wheel. Check your surroundings and release the brake. As the vehicle automatically steers, accelerates, brakes and shifts between reverse and drive into a parking spot. Check your surroundings and always be prepared to stop. A progress bar will display the status of the maneuver with a seat vibration indicating completion of each maneuver. Once automatic parking is complete and the vehicle has come to a complete stop, APA will beep, the driver's seat will vibrate, and a message will be displayed indicating parking is complete. To cancel APA at any time, press cancel or stop on the color touchscreen and resume full control of the vehicle.